In the shimmer of Rakhis, in the sweetness of laddus, in the warmth of sibling bonds, festivals like Raksha Bandhan wrap us in joy. But amidst all the rituals, visits, sweets, and selfies, our skin quietly bears the brunt. Stress, late nights, sugar overload, and heavy makeup can dull your natural glow. So today, on Dress, Dine, and Shine, we talk about something we often overlook during celebrations: your skin's quiet plea for care. This isn't just about beauty, this is about honoring your body during a time of celebration. Because true festivity begins with feeling radiant inside and out. Let's explore simple, rooted, festive-friendly skin rituals that blend Ayurveda, modern skincare, and ancestral wisdom.
Start with the mind. Festive calm, festive skin. Before creams and cleansers comes calm. Festivals bring joy, but also stress. Cooking, hosting, shopping, last-minute outfits, you know the drill. Here's something not many tell you. Cortisol, the stress hormone, directly impacts your skin's ability to repair, hydrate, and glow. Mini ritual. Morning pause. 3 minutes daily. Sit near a window. Place your palms over your eyes. Breathe deeply. 4 counts in, 4 counts out. Say quietly, I welcome joy, I release pressure. Even 3 minutes of mindfulness can regulate hormones, reduce inflammation, and set your skin up for peace. Why it works? Ayurveda says, Rasa Dhatu, or your body's fluids, begins in the mind. Mental stress first disturbs fluids, tears, sweat, sebum. The result? Breakouts, dryness, puffiness.
Cleanse like it's a ritual, not a task. During Rakhi, you're likely applying more makeup, kajal, maybe even foundation for those reels and photos. But cleansing isn't about harsh scrubbing. It's about removing the world gently, not stripping your skin. Try this. Double cleansing with tradition. First cleanse, use raw milk or cold-pressed coconut oil. Massage in circular motions. Second cleanse, use a mild natural face wash. Look for sandalwood, vetiver, or rose. Do it slowly. Massage your jawline, temples. Let cleansing be a way to release tension, not just dirt. What it does? Double cleansing removes grime without damaging your skin barrier. And using ancestral ingredients like rose or sandalwood brings cooling and clarity. Perfect for Indian summers.
What you eat shows up on your skin. Let's be real. Festivals mean gulab jamuns, pakoras, cold drinks, chocolates, and while you should absolutely enjoy them, yes, fully, here's what to sneak into your plate too. Festival-friendly skin foods. Soaked almonds and figs morning, vitamin E plus fiber equals glow plus gut support. Coriander mint chutney, rich in chlorophyll, reduces breakouts and cools the liver. Saffron milk or badam milk before bed calms nerves, boosts skin tone, and helps sleep better. Add jeera fennel ajwain water post meals. It helps digest oily foods and prevents bloating that shows up as puffiness. During Rakhi, you're likely breaking routines. So instead of crash dieting or guilt, balance the joy with nourishment. DIY festive glow masks that actually work. Skip those sheet masks filled with perfume and chemicals. Here are 2 glow-giving masks that feel like grandma's touch and deliver real results. 1. Haldi Besan Magic Mask. 1 teaspoon besan, half teaspoon turmeric. Not cooking haldi, get kasturi haldi. Rose water or milk to mix. Apply for 10 minutes twice a week. Fades tan, even stone, calms acne. 2. Coconut Malai Moisture Mask. 1 tablespoon fresh malai, milk cream, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, few strands of saffron. Leave on for 15 minutes, use once a week. Deeply hydrates, adds dewy glow, makes skin soft like silk. Always patch tests, even natural ingredients can cause irritation. Hydration, the real highlighter.
No highlighter in the world can match what water, herbs, and electrolytes do from within. You're moving around a lot during Rakhi, maybe outdoors in the heat or inside under fans and makeup. Your skin dehydrates quietly. Try these hydrating habits. Infused water. Add cucumber plus mint plus a pinch of rock salt. Sabja seeds, soaked. Cooling, hydrating, fights acne. Tender coconut water. Natural electrolyte, makes skin plump. Skin signs of dehydration, dullness, fine lines, under-eye puffiness, dry lips. Remember, hydrated skin equals naturally luminous skin.
Sleep, not serums. We often stay up late prepping gifts, chatting with cousins, or scrolling through reels, but don't let your skin pay the price. Sleep is when your skin repairs micro tears, builds collagen, and detoxes naturally. Golden rule, be in bed before 11 p.m. at least 4 nights a week during festive time. That's when melatonin, the repair hormone, is highest. Even 6 hours of deep pre-midnight sleep is better than 8 hours starting at 2 a.m.
Scents and skin, the forgotten connection. During festivals, our homes are filled with incense, ghee, sandalwood, and rose otters. But did you know your olfactory sense directly affects your hormones and therefore your skin? Try this festive skin ritual. Rub 1 drop of pure sandalwood oil or jasmine oil on your wrists and neck before sleep. Inhale deeply. You'll sleep deeper, feel calmer, and reduce cortisol, helping skin inflammation go down. Skin, after all, responds not just to products, but to the emotional environment we live in.
Makeup. Let skin still breathe. Festive glam is fun, but don't let it clog your skin's natural rhythm. Prep. Use aloe vera gel or niacinamide serum before makeup to create a smooth barrier. Post-celebration detox. Remove makeup fully with oil cleansing plus gentle foam. Apply a cold green tea toner. Use aloe or ghee as an overnight barrier balm. Yes, ghee on lips or dry cheeks overnight is an old trick that still works. Let your skin celebrate too, with moments of stillness.
Soul care is skincare. Rakhi isn't just about gifts or pictures. It's about love, gratitude, nostalgia. These emotions, when deeply felt, create hormonal shifts that improve everything from digestion to skin texture. Call your sibling, hug your parents, light a diya just for your ancestors. These invisible acts become visible through your skin. Because when the soul shines, so does the face. Celebrate with glow. So this Rakhi, celebrate not just in bangles, bindis and burfis, but in glow, hydration, calm and kindness to your skin. The festival will pass, but your skin will remember how you treated it. Because beauty isn't built in a day. It's built in quiet choices, gentle routines, and joyful pauses. From all of us at Dress, Dine and Shine, we wish you a radiant, restful and skin-loving Raksha Bandhan. Take care of your skin. It's the canvas where your joy lives.